Got an old leaky roof? In many cases, roof repairs on an old roof is only a temporary fix and will not fully protect your home from a big storm. Here in the Magnolia and Houston area, it's important as a homeowner to protect your investment from high winds and heavy rainfall. With over 33 years in business serving Magnolia and the Woodlands area, Mr. Happy House is a top choice for roof replacement. As a GAF Certified Roofer, not only will we be able to provide you with the best-looking roofing shingles in the market, but also a warranty that most roofers cannot offer. That is the GAF Lifetime System Plus warranty, which covers the shingles, nails, and underlayment for up to 50 years. Mr. Happy House also specializes in seamless gutters to help enhance the life of your roof and keep water runoff away from your home. As an AA+ rated BBB accredited business, we are here to help you make your home safe and protected. Schedule a professional roof inspection today for an honest opinion on your roof's condition.